In the tide of the digital economy, a revolution redefining the meaning of advertising is quietly unfolding. Here, advertising is no longer an interruption, but a valuable experience everyone can share. This is Any Unboxing. Any Unboxing has created an entirely new interactive model. Advertisers place ads on the platform, users watch them, and then open digital gift boxes to receive cash rewards or exclusive discount coupons, turning every view into a real return of value. Advertisers gain precise reach, merchants achieve real conversions, users earn direct benefits. Through intelligent algorithms and data feedback, Any Unboxing builds an efficient closed loop between advertising and consumption. Starting from Azerbaijan, Any Unboxing is connecting the entire Caucasus digital market. By collaborating with local brands, university communities, and startup teams, it empowers ordinary users to become participants in the digital economy. 2025. Platform launch. Validate the reward-driven advertising model. 2026. Regional expansion. Attract international brand partnerships. 2027. Build supply chain and data centers. 2028. Launch gift pay system and green packaging initiative. 2029. Expand into the Middle East and Eastern Europe. 2030. Enter global capital markets, becoming a new benchmark for the Caucasus digital economy. Any Unboxing is much more than a tech company. It is a force driving social responsibility and digital inclusivity. We support youth employment and female entrepreneurship, promote green economy and sustainable consumption, ensuring that digital growth benefits everyone. Let the world see the digital future from Baku. Let advertising become a valuable experience. Let every gift box opened ignite new possibilities. Any Unboxing. Let the world see value, and let the future begin with us.